Welcome to TestVeda Lectures YouTube channel. In this video, we will be talking about the latest syllabus changes as prescribed by the NCISM for the second professional BAMS students enrolled in the batch 2021-22. This syllabus will be applicable from the academic year 2023-24 onwards. First of all, let's talk about the subjects. There are a total of 6 subjects according to the new syllabus pattern. The duration of the professional year shall be 1.5 years or 18 months. These subjects are first द्रव्यगुण विज्ञान, रसशास्त्र एवं भैषज्य कल्पना, अगत तंत्र एवं विधि वैद्यक, स्वस्थ वृत्त एवं योगा, रोग निदान एवं विकृति विज्ञान, संहिता अध्ययन 2. First of all, let's talk about द्रव्यगुण विज्ञान. It carries a total of 400 marks. As you can see, there shall be 2 papers, paper 1 and paper 2, each carrying 100 marks for theory paper. Rest 200 marks are divided as follows: 100 marks as practical, 70 marks as viva, and 30 marks which will be given through internal assessment. Next subject is Rog Nidan evam Vikriti Vigyan. This also has the same pattern with 2 papers and a total of 400 marks. Next one is Rash Shastra evam Bhaishajya Kalpana. It also has same pattern as you can see in the table given by NCISM. Next one is Agat Tantra evam Vidhi Vaidyak. For this one, the marks distribution is different. The subject carries 300 marks. Here there will be a single theory paper carrying 100 marks. Practical carries 100 marks followed by viva for 60 marks. There will be 10 marks for elective subjects and 30 marks as internal assessment. Next is Samhita Adhyan 2. This carries a total of 200 marks. This again has a single theory paper and there will be a viva of 75 marks. Then elective subject carrying 10 marks and 15 marks as internal assessment will be given. Last paper is Swasth Vritt Evam Yoga. This subject carries a total of 400 marks. This has 2 papers, paper 1 and paper 2 carrying 100 marks each. Practical will be for 100 marks with a viva of 60 marks and 10 marks for elective subject, and internal assessment carries 30 marks. You can see the assessment summary and a total of 2100 marks here in this table below. In this slide, the scheme of assessment is given, which is the same as the first professional PMS. And at the end, there is a question paper pattern which is also similar to the first year paper pattern.